Hello! Okay, stop na muna natin ang ating okay, stop na muna natin ang ating heaven knows. Pero today, grabe, it's been a while talaga. Oh my God. Palagi ko yung intro. Feeling ko talaga dapat yung intro ko. It's been a while, guys. Yung parang ganun. So, anywho, major life update. But first time I abroad ko, travel with my friends and with my classmates and with my teachers or coaches. Kapunta ko ng Malaysia. Pero natalo naman kami for like sa contest namin. But who cares? So, this is the, I went to Malaysia and I bought this. Pero, hindi ko na alam kung saan ko linagay yung picture namin. So, yung picture ko with friends, with my group mates sa Malaysia. So, yun, life update. I went to Malaysia to compete. And I met a lot of friends, new people. So, ayun lang naman. Grabe yung update ko. So, anywho, I'm just going to check my messages. Kasi, I hope, kasi hindi nagme-message yung friend ko. Okay. So, anyway, ayun, major life update. Nakapunta na akong Malaysia first abroad. I just got back home, 2 days before, 2 days after, 2 days ago, actually. So, just going to see some photos that I took during our stay. So, actually, almost 1 week kami sa Malaysia, and it was a very nice day in Malaysia. And I really want to go back there if I had the chance. If I have the chance, I'll go back there because Malaysia is good and their food is cheap actually. Pero ayaw talaga ng mga kasama ko ng foods nila, and I have no idea why. But I love their food. So, ayan. And also, we went to the highest building in Penang, Malaysia. Ito yung pic namin. Ito yung view, like, from the top of the topest. From the top of the topest. Ayan. And yung contest na namin sa Nalihan, unfortunately, we didn't win or we didn't won kasi very questionable yung nanalo. So, anyway, nanalo, the most promising scientist was worth it. That the best yun. Di yun questionable. Pero some of the winners are very questionable actually. So, I don't wanna, like, ayoko na i-judge kasi tapos na yung pag-run ko. Pero the most promising scientist is our fellow classmate or batchmate or schoolmate noon. And he won, which he deserves. Pero yung iba hindi. Kasi questionable yung nanalo. So anyway, it's fine. But the thing is the experience that experience that counts, you know? So anyway, naiumikot ako pa ito. And wala lang, super happy lang ako na nakapag-abroad na ako. Thanks to my parents and thank you so much to everyone, of course, na I went to Malaysia and it was such a very good experience. It was a very nice experience. And if you're going to ask me if I'll do it again, for the sake of travel, oo. Pero for the sake of doing a contest there again, no. Ayoko na. Ayoko nang bumalik dun for contest. Joke lang. Oo, ayoko na talaga bumalik dun if for contest. Pero if I'm going to go back in Malaysia as, as, like, as fun or travel, I'll do it again. By the way, nagka-dent yung Apple Pen ko habang naglalaro kami. So, I bought a new pencil tip na ano kasi siya, nasira. So, ayan. Okay. So, there's a lot of things that I've learned during my stay in Malaysia. First things first, if bibili ka ng souvenir for your parents or your friends or your family, I do recommend you do it first day pa lang. Kasi wag niyong gawin yung ginawa namin kasi bumili kami ng souvenir and last day, and technically wala na kaming pera. Ako, in my case, wala na akong pera. So, konti na lang yung nabili ko. Like, instant noodles na lang yung nabiling ko as pasalubong. Kasi hindi nga kami, dapat, kasi hindi na kumasya yung pocket money ko or yung money ko for pasalubong kasi I spend a lot of things in Malaysia, especially in food. And so yung basta marami kaming binayaran na eme-eme. But anyway, um, uh, I really want to go back. I really want to say that I experienced a lot of things during my stay in Malaysia to the point na naglalakad kami. Kung dito sa Naga or dito sa place naman, hindi ako nakakapaglakad ng super night. Like super late night walk ko lang is around 6 or 7. Pero sa Malaysia, I walk around 10 p.m. or 11 or 9 p.m. Around hindi sa place hindi ko alam. Like first time kong pumunta doon, hindi ko alam mga tao doon. And then first time kong maglakad doon with a lot of strangers. And that was my first time. And I'm really, really happy and grateful to experience it. So, plastic, pero Masaya ako dun. And I don't wanna talk about a lot the contest kasi ano, it's, parang there's a side of me na why am I expecting to win if hindi ko naman binigay yung the best ko. Kasi I don't hindi ko may kasalanan ako dun kasi, well, during our presentation, I fucked up kasi parang mali yung present ko and then parang ganun yung nangyari. And at the same time, I wasn't giving my best of the best na ginawa ko kasi hindi ko alam kung bakit ko yun inisip na hindi ko gawin ng the best. Lahat na ng, like, lahat na ng napagdaanan namin, lahat ng gastos, hindi ko inisip. Parang, I was there in Malaysia to what? Parang mag-relax, which is very wrong kasi purpose ko nung punta sa Malaysia was to compete and to showcase our research. Pero, hindi ko yun inisip. I didn't give my best. I didn't give the best of me. So, I think that was a lesson learned for me na every time there will be any, or hindi naman every contest, pero sa lahat ng bagay, I should give my best. So, para at the end of the day, I don't have regrets. Yung parang ganito, nagre-regret na ako na hindi ko ginawa lahat. I didn't give my best. I don't know if parang, I don't know if sa mga groupmates ko, they give their all best. Hindi ako. So, I feel so bad nun. So, wala kaming nanalo kahit isang award. So, anyway, that's a very big disappointment. Kasi yung mga nananalo, like, anyway, sige. Ano pa? Ano pa yung mga natutunan ko? Budget. Budget friendly ang pen ng Malaysia. And I met a lot of people. Good example. Oh my God. Hindi ko alam kung pwede it's allowed to show their faces. Pero, okay, this is na lang. A very short glimpse for this. Like, okay, hindi ko si Zoom, pero those are from UP Iloilo, senior high school. Na hindi ko alam na may senior high school pala sa UP. And like, my first time encountering them. And ang very funny ng experience ko dito kasi there was this girl who approached me and nag-congrats. And then yung teacher namin, like parang, ano siya, parang sabi niya sa akin na, si Trisha, na, kahit natalo, nanalo naman, blah, blah, blah. Parang pinagtitripan ako ng teacher ko. And I felt like, hiyang-hiya na ako doon. Pero, nawala na yung dignidad ko that times. But, ayun. Sa mga UP Iloilo peeps, senior high school na na-meet namin, thank you so much po. And everything. And it was nice meeting you all. Pero hindi pa ako nakapag-free taste ng cornflakes nyo ba? Cornflakes ba yun? Or parang cereal? Free taste when? Joke lang. And this is some of the pictures. Yan. Ito, I want to show them one by one kasi may mga pictures ng iba kong ano. And we took some photos on different countries, like different nationalities. So, ito yung Laos. Yan, Laos. Ayokong i-show kasi I don't have the permission. So, wala na kayo. Din sa Laos. And ito yung sa Thai. Actually, very questionable ba't hindi sila nanalo. This is our Thai peeps. Ang ganda ng accent nila. Pero medyo nahihirapan akong intindihin yung accent nila. Like, may mga certain, may mga certain words silang hindi ko naintindihan, which, it was like so cool. Like, pero ang ganda ng accent nila. Pero, they're so nice. And, yan. Hindi ko nakuha yung IG nila dito, unfortunately. Like, that's a girl. Thai sila. And hindi ko alam kung ba't hindi sila nanalo. So, anyway. And this is the Indonesia one. They won actually. This is nandito yung sticker nila actually. They give me a sticker and then there. Nanalo sila actually. So congrats. And this is again the cat yung sa Thai again. They won also. So ayan. And this is the Congress dinner. Ayan. Congress dinner naman siya before the awarding ata to. We have to wear a Filipiniana and I remember when my teacher and other friends saw me and like in a dress kasi hindi nga ako nagdo-dress, very boyish ako or very masculine ako magdamit. They were like, "Oh my God, bading na bading." And they kept saying that. And like, oh my God, so embarrassing. But anyway, so yun, congrats dito. And this is the time that I met the one na nag-add friend sa akin on Facebook. And tinuturo ko siya, like, oh, familiar ka sa akin. Ikaw pa po yung nag-add sa akin sa Facebook. And I feel so bad saying it kasi tinuturo ko siya. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for adding me. Kung sino, hi po, if you're watching this, thank you so much for adding me on Facebook. Hindi talaga pa ako nag-add kasi nahihiya ako. And this is my friend who won the most promising scientist. Hindi ko siya, anyway, this is the schoolmate, former schoolmate. He won the most promising, so well, much deserved. And yeah, my group mates, those are my group mates. Those are the winners. Okay, sila lang. Ako hindi kasi for ano lang ako, for support kasi hindi ko talaga gamay ang robotics. So hindi ko alam kung bakit nag-robotics ako. And I literally look like VP Sara, and they said like parang kamukha ko si VP Sara and shit. And this is the time na nagpalaro yung Simyo na hindi kami nanalo. So, pinumalas kami nun eh. And this is after the report, which, um, you know, fortunately we didn't win. This is Skynet. Ito yung presentation namin. And this is the night before our presentation when we eat. Kumain kami ng pancit cantonada nito or macaron ata. And ayun, the opening. And this is the time when I watch Upin and Ipin in Malaysia. It was so nice. Dream come true. We went to mall, Queens Bay in Penang when we bought some groceries. And ayun, the first international airport and everything and stuff. And we went to Capsule Hotel, which ganda naman. Super gwapo ka dito. Like, feel ko yung kagwapuhan ko dito, guys. So, suck it all. Like, gosh. Narcissist. Pero ayun, na-feel na ko yung kagwapuhan ko dito. And this is my first ever Malay food na this is good actually. If i-rate ko siya out of 10, I'll give it around like 5 or 4. Pero sarap siya. But hindi siya first kasi namin. So, hindi talaga siya first. No? Hi guys, this is day one. Kapag lang siya. Diba? Day one. Si Alan, unfortunately, mapo si Alan. Yan po, manihaw kailan pa to sa home. Hi Alan, if you're watching this, maroblox ka kami. Yeah, that's the video I thought. I'm gonna i-post ko to sa IG and ayun, actually, it is a very fun experience and I really want to give it a try again. Ang plastic, pero oo talaga. And ayun lang, grabe talaga yung ano ko, regret na I did not give my best, but there's a lot of events out there or opportunities that will come to me, and ayun. So anyway, mag-ayos na ako kasi punta ka mauna na kami ng Inside Out later, 1:30. So anywho, I guess thank you so much. Yun naman yung major life update ko about the Malaysia and ayun. Thank you. And I hope I'll see you next one. Bye bye.